Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the split screen mode and also the pop-up view. So this allows you to use 3 applications at the same time. But first of all, you will need to turn a few options on. So go ahead and follow my steps to turn the options on. So pull down the notification panel and then go into the settings to begin with, and then scroll down to where it says advanced features. Go ahead and select the option, and then here select labs at the top and go ahead and turn this option on, multi-window for all apps. Then go back once and select multi-window and go ahead and turn all 3 options on. And now you're set and ready to go. Okay, so let's say I want to watch a TikTok live video. So let me just go on TikTok live. Okay, so this guy is live on TikTok. All I would have to do is down here at the bottom, take my 2 fingers and swipe up. And as you can see, the display has now split into 2 halves. So it's now in split screen mode. So let's say, so I've got TikTok live open up here in the top window. If I select YouTube, so let's say I want to watch a YouTube video as well whilst I'm watching TikTok live. I would just simply choose the YouTube video that I want to watch. And as you can see, I'm watching TikTok live and I'm also watching my YouTube video as well. Let me just turn down the volume. Okay, so now if I want to watch TikTok live, watch my YouTube video, and then open up something in pop-up view, all I would have to do is just go back to the home screen there and open up, let's say, the Play Store, and then swipe in from the top right hand corner. Press the recent apps button to bring back up the split screen. So as you can see now, I have TikTok live open. And I have my YouTube video playing. And I'm also on the Play Store. And you can adjust the size of the pop-up window, which is the Play Store. So I can be here and I can download an application if I want and install it whilst I'm watching my YouTube video and my TikTok video, my TikTok live video. And as you can see, it's now installing the Domino Pizzas app whilst all that is going on. So as you can see, the Domino Pizzas app has now been installed whilst I was watching TikTok live and whilst I was watching my YouTube video. So yeah, this is really cool. You know, Apple can't do this. iPhones can't do this. That's why it's Android all the way for me. That will never change. Anyway, that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.